Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honorable member, Honorable Teitoro Komatu, for the question. I'm pleased to provide this August House with a full account of the government's domestic air subsidy program and the expansion now being pursued. As we know, ours is a nation of over 330 islands dispersed across a vast maritime zone. Many domestic air routes are commercially non-viable. Passenger numbers are too small and distances too great to sustain a purely commercial operation. This challenge was first addressed in 2002 when the Domestic Aviation Strategy Study identified outer island routes that could not be sustained without government support, giving rise to the Domestic Air Subsidy Programme underpinned by a community service obligation framework. Since then, government has continuously supported scheduled air services to 7 subsidized routes, namely Bonombalabu, Bivia, Lakemba, Rotuma, Kandawu, Koro, and Ngau, operated by Fiji Link and Northern Air through a transparent government tender board process. For communities on those islands, this program is the difference between being connected to the national economy and being cut off from it. Cabinet has recently endorsed the addition of 3 new routes to the program. These are Mureta in Ovarau, Moala in the Lau Group, and Onoi Lau, Fiji's most remote maritime districts. From Mureta Ovarau, where Levuka is situated, Levuka is Fiji's only UNESCO World Heritage listed site and our first colonial capital. The current Suva to Levuka sea journey takes approximately 3 hours. The proposed service by air from Nausori to Mureta will reduce travel time from 30 to 30 minutes, improving access for approximately 9,000 Ovalau residents. For Moala, with a population of approximately 1,383, Moala is dependent primarily on maritime transport with 1 to 2 day travel time to the mainland. A subsidized air service will reduce that to under 1 hour. For Oneilau is approximately 407 kilometers from Suva. Oneilau is a cluster of 6 volcanic islands with a population of approximately 524 people. Maritime transport operates on a schedule of weeks between trips. 1 weekly air service would be a flight time of under 1 hour. The aerodromes at all 3 proposed destinations are certified by Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji and are operationally ready for service. Fiji Airports, a wholly owned, government-owned entity, operates 15 public airports across Fiji with 13 domestic airports. These airports are maintained to aviation safety and security standards. The infrastructure investment has already been made. This expansion utilizes existing assets to deliver expanded national benefit. Tourism, as we know, contributes approximately 40% of Fiji's GDP, but visitor spend is heavily concentrated in a small number of established destinations. That concentration creates risks, limits the breadth of economic benefit, and places pressure on destinations already near capacity. This expansion is a deliberate diversification strategy. Levuka's UNESCO World Heritage status gives it extraordinary potential in the cultural heritage and experiential tourism market, currently constrained by access. Moala and Oneilau offer ecotourism, adventure, and community-based experiences that high-yield international travelers are actively seeking. Reliable scheduled access unlocks that potential, stimulating private sector investment in accommodation, tours, and local supply chains. The Domestic Air Subsidy Program complements maritime transport, not replace it. Journey times in Moala and Oneilau by sea range from 1 to 2 days, with scheduled spaces. being weeks apart. For medical emergencies, urgent government businesses, and time-sensitive economic activity, air services provide a higher impact solution within an integrated national transport system. Following the necessary process, the Ministry will facilitate procurement through the Government Tender Board to identify service providers for the three routes. For a family non-allow, waiting for the days for the next ship, a regular air service is a lifeline. For a heritage tourist bound to Levuka's historic sites, reliable address is the deciding factor in whether they book the trip. For a young Fijian in Moala, weighing whether to stay or migrate, better connectivity can tip the calculation. The expansion of Air Subsidy Programme, grounded in sound analysis, supported by existing infrastructure, delivers huge opportunities for the people of Onelau, Obolau, and Moala. Now, Valiu.
I thank the Deputy Prime Minister, the Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation.